Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on CapCut PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your CapCut on your PC, and after that we can simply start importing the media files that we're going to edit. And to do that, just simply click under this media files the import button, or you can simply click this button right here. Upon doing so, all you need to do is simply choose here the image or the video, and from here we can simply play it to see what it looks like, and to simply drag it directly in our timeline to start editing it. The next thing that we need to do is simply choose here the part of the video we want to reverse in here, or if you want to reverse the entire video you can simply do so also. But at this point I'm just going to simply select here a simple part of the video, which is, for example, at this point I'm going to split this, so the first part of the video in here will be able to reverse. And to do that, just click this icon and it will show you the sub option in here, and just click this reverse option. By clicking on it, the video will automatically be reversed. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and once done it will show you that the video is now being reversed. So when we start playing it, it will show you that the video is now reversed. You could also do the same process on the entire video if you want to, or just the selected videos, by simply splitting it in here. So to do so, the other part, you could also click this one and click the reverse option. By doing so, it will automatically be reversed. And once done, you can now start saving it by exporting or clicking the export button on the top right to save the changes. But overall, that is just how you can reverse a video on CapCut PC.